Welcome to Technophilia, a show where we bring you the top stories from the world of science and technology. So let's discover what's concocting there. In our race of space exploration and conquest, we humans are getting persistent about sending anything from satellites to a Tesla Roadster into space. Joining this race are Josh Weston and Andrew Bacon, who last year founded their startup by the name of SpaceForge in a garage in Cardiff and have recently acquired funding of around $10 million. Their idea behind SpaceForge is to manufacture materials that are next to impossible to be made on Earth due to numerous constraints such as gravity. As said by the CEO Josh Weston to The Guardian, Earth is a wonderful place to live on, but terrible for manufacturing so many things. You have to fight gravity and the dense atmosphere while trying not to cause pollution. But in space, you have no gravity to interfere with the mixing of materials, while you have a pure vacuum and no atmospheric pollution. And you also turn your instruments towards or away from the sun to heat or cool them rapidly. According to Jason Dorrier of Singularity Hub, the company is building on years of experiments flown on the International Space Station. As early as 1998, scientists showed a special kind of fiber optics called ZB-LAN were of significantly higher quality when it produced in microgravity. Compared to silica-based fiber optics, high-quality ZB-LAN cables can carry more wavelengths of light and therefore information, with far less signal lost along the way. When produced on Earth, ZB-LAN develops a cloudy crystal lattice, but made in space it's crystal clear. Also, semiconductors made in partial gravity have fewer impurities, which could boost the efficiency of computer chips. Building on this, Andrew Bacon says that in microgravity, metals can mix better together, so there are a lot of possibilities to make new alloys, such as one that has a lot of aluminium on top and lead on the bottom. SpaceForge will be making reusable satellites called ForgeStar, which is oven-sized and will orbit the Earth for up to 6 months at about 300 miles from Earth, then will return to Earth for delivery of the special cargo and refurbishing, after which they'll return to space once again. Initially, the company is hoping to exploit simple launch systems that companies like Virgin Orbit are developing, such as carrying small rockets via jumbo jets into the upper atmosphere and launching into space from there. Regarding the practicality and economic value, the company says that it is focusing on high-value niche products and that some applications are beginning to make economic sense. The company has also received significant backing from the UK Space Agency, the European Space Agency, and UK, European, and US investors. Meanwhile, though not made in space, over the years NASA's research has produced numerous commercial products that were made for space but found their application on Earth as well. In this regard, a new book by the name of Spinoff 2022 highlights such products dating back to 1976 which have benefited life on Earth. These products fall into wide categories such as health and medicine, agriculture, public safety, computer technology, etc. For example, the voltage controller, invented by a NASA engineer in 1970s, is one of NASA's most used innovations. It enables machinery to automatically decrease energy consumption when full power is unnecessary. Aerogels, first used at NASA to insulate cryogenic rocket fuel, are being incorporated into products such as winter coats and phone cases that can withstand frigid temperatures. NASA's vertical farming techniques, developed to feed astronauts on long missions, are enabling sustainable, high-yield crop growth with a small footprint. It has also developed the foundational technology and systems that are enabling remotely piloted aircraft to navigate better and avoid accidents. And air sensing and purifying technologies developed for use on the International Space Station are now slowing coronavirus spread here on Earth, etc. These are just some of the inventions that are byproducts of NASA's research. In addition, NASA has also listed 20 recent technologies that are viable for commercial use. These include heartbeat IDs, which can unlock systems by unique heartbeats, a low-cost nanomaterial thin film that can convert carbon dioxide to fuel with the power of the sun, a puffer, a foldable robot that can access tight spaces, and even anti-insect coating for vehicles and structures. Amazing, right? Do give us your thoughts about these stellar inventions in the comments.